Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that. It looks like that Ethereum breaks out against Bitcoin, and many analysts believe that Ethereum can outperform Bitcoin in April. The second news is all about that Coinbase will go public in the US on the 14th of April. That's actually major news for a crypto company, no question of that. And the third one will be that altcoins move to new all-time high, while Bitcoin, it's kind of suffering just under 60K. So all this in today's video. And for those of you who are new in crypto, I have a totally free course, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. The link is right under this video. You can find it. And you can also find many other useful links, which you can get discounts with if you register on the Binance or Coinbase cryptocurrency exchange, or you would like to get a crypto.com Visa card, and so on and so forth. So check them out. And it's very important also, if you would like to get the daily free updates, then subscribe to this YouTube channel, because I'm bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news every weekday. The only thing you have to do, really subscribe, bell button and all, and then you're going to get the notifications as soon as a new video is on YouTube. And now let's check out the market. We can see Bitcoin quite nicely, just under 60K, 59,840 US dollar. This is a 1.2% increase in the last 24 hours. On the other hand, Ethereum on $2,000. Well, back on 2,000 level. This is a 3.5% increase. But when we're looking at the 7 days, we see that actually Ethereum did double that much almost than Bitcoin, 23% in 7 days, while Bitcoin 12% up. So Ethereum right now is outperforming Bitcoin, and this is the first one I would like to talk about. But a quick check, let's see the winners. We have Helium, 26%, BitTorrent, 16%, Zcash, 13%. So nice gains here in the top 100. And when we're checking out the losers, Swissborg 11% down, BTMX 8% down, Kusama 8% down. So, well, some of them going down, some of them going up. But actually, why Bitcoin going sideways, this is not bad for altcoins at all. And now let's move on to the first news, which is all about that Ethereum breaks out against Bitcoin. We have seen Ethereum kind of sleeping recently, and always in the last couple of weeks, actually Bitcoin was the one which performed better than Ethereum. But now things looking to change, and this can bring an interesting, forecast for April, because many people believe that now Ethereum can outperform Bitcoin in April. So Ethereum breaks out against Bitcoin, is strongly bull run in the works, is the question. The price of Ethereum broke out against Bitcoin in the first time in almost a month as its technical momentum strength. And Ethereum price has broken out first time in 23 days in its Bitcoin pair. It follows a high-profile announcement from Visa to USDC. You know, I've talked about it this week, about that news. And stablecoin based on the Ethereum blockchain. So this was definitely massive for Ethereum. It helped a lot. So traders think Ethereum will outperform Bitcoin in April. And when you're looking at this year, you can see how Ethereum was trying here. This is, we're talking about here in February, reaching and, passing 2000. And then we had another try. And here we have another try. And actually, this one looks right now bullish altogether. And this, I think, very important because, also on-chain data shows that, meanwhile, data from Glassnode shows that the number of active Ethereum addresses reach a 1 month high at 33,257. So also the active addresses are going up. And, basically, yesterday there was this news about this miners are not too happy about this new update, the IP 1559. And yeah, well, basically nothing really happened on the 1st of April, nothing major, which will, break really Ethereum's price. So Ethereum looks quite good at the moment. Don't forget, it's a massive, massive system, and it has many applications on it which are already in work. So this is positive. Yes, they have to work on the gas fee, no question of that, and also the speed. But, there are things coming up, layer 2 solutions, just like Polygon, or we have Optimism, the optimistic rollup. Okay, this was a bit postponed to a later date, but actually it's coming sooner or later, and this will help a lot the Ethereum network. So after this, watching this sleeping giant a little bit in the last couple of weeks, now it can happen that it might can outperform Bitcoin, because Bitcoin right now, it's not getting too strong. By the way, just looking at the chart of Bitcoin, and you can see that, well, we are just here, just under 60K, hesitating, and we need stronger bullish moves. As soon as it breaks through and it goes up and it's, closing above it, then we can hope for a nice run. But until that, we cannot really see what's going to happen to Bitcoin now. It also can happen that it goes for sideways for a while, which can be actually good for altcoins, not that good for Bitcoin. So there's always something which is moving in the market. So the second one I would like to talk about is that Coinbase will go public in the United States on the 14th of April, so pretty soon. Major news for Coinbase, and this is because this company could be the very first crypto exchange which can go public in the United States, and this is going to happen on the 14th of April, so basically 2 weeks from now. And here you can see the news that Coinbase expects direct listing on April 14th. The San Francisco-based company could be the first crypto exchange to go public in the United States. US-based crypto exchange Coinbase says it anticipates going to public with a direct stock listing in 2 weeks. According to a Coinbase blog today, the US Security and Exchange Commission, or other words, SEC, has declared the crypto exchange S1 registration for a public offering effective. Coinbase Class A common stock is expected to trade on Nasdaq Global's select market under the ticket symbol COIN on April 14th. Great news. Definitely just think about it. In generally for crypto, that a crypto exchange company it's getting on the stock market, this is actually major news, because now again this would be another way to invest in crypto. So those guys who don't buy directly Bitcoin, for instance, but they buy the stock of Coinbase, they definitely investing indirectly into crypto. The first launch in 2012, so it's here actually for a while. Coinbase is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the United States, with Coinbase Pro handling more than 3 billion in daily transactions, according to CoinMarketCap. So the massive, think about the daily transactions, roughly speaking, 3 billion US dollar. And well, if things continue like this, then definitely crypto is getting stronger and stronger. These are major steps when we see big companies investing in crypto, when we see crypto companies going public. We couldn't see these things a couple of years ago. It really, this kind of hype in wider acceptance, and also, that crypto is turning towards a bit mainstream, not even getting close to it right now, but even in that direction, making massive steps. It's happening since last year, 2020. And now, 2021, it makes it actually stronger. And Bitcoin price is also holding very nicely. It needs a push. It needs something to go up. What we can see recently here, great news coming. Visa, PayPal, you name it, Tesla. And actually, Bitcoin is not moving that much as it moved before when news like this coming out. And that also means that, we need bigger and bigger things to make it happen. But yeah, as long as we have continuous news like this, it's a great chance that crypto will grow. And the third news I would like to talk about is about altcoins, because they're doing all-time highs why Bitcoin is kind of struggling just under 60K. And when we see Bitcoin struggling, going rather sideways than, significant drop. I'm talking about like a little bit down or a little bit up, so kind of sideways moves. This is always good for altcoins, at least in most cases. And here you can see altcoins move to new all-time highs while Bitcoin is struggling below 60K. Here are some examples. Bitcoin price might be pinned below 60K, but that was not stopping, for instance, Torchain, Acropolis, and Helium for chasing after new all-time highs. According to the data, Bitcoin in Q1 2021, so in this year, performance was the best since 2013. So that's promising. With strong tailwind, Bitcoin now enters Q2, which historically has been a good period for Bitcoin price. This is also very important. Data shows that Bitcoin has only closed Q2 in the red twice, and both times the decline was less than 10%. So just twice went down, and it just went like a little bit. If history repeats itself, Bitcoin investors may witness a sharp gains in the next 6 months. So basically, this is not just Q2, it's actually after it, even in Q3. So now it's like kind of sideways moves, and this is which is great for altcoins, but it can happen anytime when Bitcoin actually making a big move up, because historically April it's good for Bitcoin, the whole Q2 is good for Bitcoin, and even when it was a decline, it was just a tiny little decline. So yes, altcoins have also participated in the current bull run, and this has propelled the total crypto market capitalization to 1.99 trillion, which is just short of 2 trillion milestone. And when you're looking at here, let's check out the mark. There you go. Up there you can see it. So again, it's just short of 2 trillion US dollar. When we're talking about, the Bitcoin market cap is just above 1 trillion. So 50%, it's right now Bitcoin, and bit more than 50. And then, another 1 trillion in altcoins. We're not talking about a small asset again. Bitcoin, it's now a $1 trillion asset. It's not like just it was like, I don't know, when, it was like 100 billion, for instance. Nah, it's now 1 trillion. And the old market, altogether, the altcoins, it's another 1 trillion, roughly speaking. And that makes it just under 2. So yeah, well, this number will break pretty soon, no doubt of that. And yes. So all together, I think it's all positive, because, if Bitcoin breaks out, hooray, Bitcoin goes up. It will bring alts up as well. Why Bitcoin going sideways, not dropping significantly, but just like sideways, that also can help alts, and that will definitely push up the market cap of the whole cryptocurrency market, which is definitely good for crypto. So Q2 and April for start looks pretty promising so far. We will see what's going to happen, of course. Guys, if you like this content, smash the like button, highly appreciate it. And because of that, it will get to more people. So more YouTube will show it to more people. So it's also great to get this free stuff to others. And if you would like to get daily fresh news about blockchain and crypto, hit the subscribe button, bell button and all, and then you're going to get the notifications as soon as a new video is out. It's worth to do it, because to stay up to date in crypto, it's crucial nowadays. You would like to be part of it in this bull market, but you would like to know what to do, why to do it, how to do it, when to act, and for that you have to keep yourself up to date. Okay, I wish you a nice weekend. Happy Easter. And of course, actually not on Monday, because it's Easter Monday. I'm not doing videos on Monday now. I'm going to spend the 3 days now with the family. But on Tuesday, I'm coming back with the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. Guys, have a good one. Bye-bye.